Paxton.
Aww.
Okay, why don't you stand him back up again, okay? Good job.
Paxton, watch me. Paxton.
Or he could just let him walk around a little bit. Papa Dave wants to see him walking. And so does Nani and Papa Mike. Alright, Goofy Guts. Both of ya. Goofy Guts, not Boopy Boop. Alright, why don't you stand him back up again? Hey, you're fine. Yeah, he is heavy.
He eats too much, just like our baby.
Yeah. Paxton, come to Mama. Come here, baby.
Look at you.
Come here.
Yeah.
Come here, baby. Paxton.
Baby, baby, baby. Baby. Come on, baby.
Oh.
Are you videoing him?
Yep, I am. Alright, why don't you set him up right up against the wall, pretty much. Facing me, so he'll walk to me. Paxton. Come here, baby. Uh-oh. Jump up.
Oh, this hurts my belly.
Okay. Okay, alright, he's getting mad.